I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, the Sexual Integrity Coach located in Wilton Manors, Florida. Thanks for watching another episode of Adult Sex Education. I've been a therapist for over 30 years, mostly specializing in issues pertaining to sexuality and relationships. One frustration I've had across the span of my career is that most relationship books and workshops are designed for straight couples, and they encourage their audience to aim toward traditional relationship models that rarely work in contemporary society. They use a one-size-fits-all approach that makes some naive assumptions about gay men and doesn't address the nuances of gay relationships. Authors of these relationship books will occasionally throw in a token gay or lesbian couple to check the diversity box, but don't effectively address the unique dynamics of male or female couples because they don't understand them and they were never trained to. Some workshops designed for straight couples have been modified by gay or lesbian therapists to try to apply these relationship techniques to same-sex couples, but they still miss the target. Today I want to talk about gay male couples specifically and the value of working with a therapist who understands male sexuality and the unique cultural experiences of gay men in today's world. I also want to give you information at the end of this video about a workshop designed specifically for gay male couples and tell you how you and your partner can register for this intensive weekend couple enrichment experience. Biologically, gay men are not that different sexually from straight men. The thing that divides them is the object of their attraction. Men and women are very different sexual creatures, and I'm not just talking about anatomy. Straight male sexuality is largely influenced by the female in his life. Straight couples can't personally relate to the other's experience of sexuality because of their differing brains and bodies. Male couples, however, can relate to their partner's experience of his male body and the intensity of his erotic thoughts. Therefore, male couples tend to have more tolerance and flexibility to accommodate their partner's erotic desires and the variety of ways he might express his sexuality. However, they often still need assistance navigating how to have these challenging conversations and the different emotions and thoughts that arise. This is where most relationship books and workshops fall short. Another way male couples differ from couples of opposite gender is that they don't have centuries of tradition telling them how they should manage their relationship. Societal norms and expectations have historically dictated the behaviors and roles of men and women in relationships. These differences can manifest in various aspects of the relationship, including communication, division of labor, and social acceptance. The absence of historical tradition can be both a benefit and a challenge for the gay male couple. The man and wife model at least gives you a blueprint from where to begin. Sexist and misogynistic as it might be, straight couples can take the existing model and adapt it here and there as needed. The designated roles of husband and wife allow them to begin the relationship with some assumptions about which primary roles each will fill in the relationship. How well they play those binary roles will get negotiated over time. In many straight relationships, there is often an expectation that the woman will take the majority of the household chores and childcare responsibilities, even if she also has a full-time job outside the home. Men are still expected to mow the lawn and take care of household maintenance and repairs. Male couples don't come into their relationship with a prototype for how to partner with another man and operate an all-male household. They might develop more equal distribution of labor with both parties sharing responsibilities and working together to maintain the household inside and out. Roles could develop more organically based on individual preferences or skill sets. Or it can also lead to conflict when you have two men competing for dominance or authority in the same areas with both convinced their way is best. This competition for dominance can play out in the bedroom as well, causing both men to become sexually frustrated and unfulfilled. Unlike straight couples, male couples don't receive the same endorsements of their relationships from social, political, or religious systems. While society has made great strides in accepting and supporting gay individuals and couples, there is still a stigma attached to being in a same-sex relationship. Gay male couples face discrimination, prejudice, and even violence simply for being who they are and loving who they love. This can create additional stress and strain on the relationship, as the couple must navigate negative societal attitudes and expectations, even from their own family, while also trying to build a strong and healthy relationship. Gay men have grown up in a world designed for straight people. From early childhood, others have made assumptions about him, projected onto him characteristics that aren't relevant to his beliefs and values, measured his worth against inapplicable metrics, and criticized all the ways he is different. Research has consistently demonstrated that gay men face challenges in life that straight men do not, and that these challenges have a negative influence on mental health, body image, and his success at navigating intimacy and sex in relationships. Most relationship books and workshops never take this into consideration. There are many straight therapists who work affirmatively and effectively with gay men. But sometimes when I refer gay men to other therapists or workshops, they are reluctant to participate if the therapist or facilitator isn't also gay. They've had enough awkward experiences with straight physicians and straight therapists who wanted to be helpful but simply didn't understand gay culture or how gay men experience their bodies, sexuality, and relationships. This is why I've created a relationship enrichment workshop designed exclusively for gay male couples. Man to Man is a 2-day weekend intensive experience where male couples can learn effective strategies for communication, resolving conflict, negotiating sex, and navigating erotic desire. It is appropriate for gay couples at every phase of their relationship. New couples can learn skills to help them build a firm foundation that keeps them solid and stable for years to come. Couples who have been together long-term can rediscover each other by changing old patterns or dynamics that are no longer useful at this season of their relationship. It's an opportunity to learn from my experience and training over the past 35 years, to relate to and learn from other gay male couples who share their own experiences with relationships, and to learn some new things from your partner that you likely didn't already know. To learn more about this workshop, please scan the QR code on your screen or visit my website at sexualintegritycoach.com. If you're traveling into the Fort Lauderdale area, I'm happy to make recommendations for accommodations, and I even encourage you to make this part of your Florida vacation or celebration of a special birthday or anniversary. This workshop is an excellent gift idea for all gay couples because the benefits can last for the entirety of the relationship. Whether newly coupled, married, or long-term partnered, this workshop has something of value for every male couple. I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, the Sexual Integrity Coach. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to this channel. Please check out my website at sexualintegritycoach.com. There you can get more information about the workshop I just mentioned, find out more about the services I provide, and get links to both of my books, Peaceful Mind, Peaceful Life, the Guidebook to Happiness, as well as Sexual Integrity, Finding the Courage to Be Yourself.